7 quickly? Okay, if you're not marking it, just be quiet. Okay, right, you approach a bank for a home loan to the value of 850,000. So you are borrowing, as soon as it's on the left-hand side, okay, what kind of question are we working with? Present or future value? If you know what's on the left, or looking for what's on the left, it's a present value formula, right? Okay, so T0 is 850,000 Rand. Okay, you're going to pay off an amount X, okay, in months, okay, over a period of 20 years. So 20 times 12 is 240. So you're going to make 240 payments of some amount X. Do you agree? Okay. And they tell us it's 9% over 12. It's a 9% per annum compounded monthly. So we know what? N is equal to 240. P is equal to 850,000. Okay. X is what we're looking for. And I is equal to 9% of 12. Right? You happy with that? Okay. Laka. So then what I say? P is equal to X, 1 minus 1 plus I to the negative N all over I. Okay. So then 850,000 is equal to X, 1 minus 1 plus 9% over 12 to the negative, what, 240? Okay. All over 9% over 12. Okay? So I'm going to go, okay, okay, did somebody work it out?
Yes.
Okay, so you'd go 850,000 times 9% over 12 divided by this whole thing over here.
Yes.
Okay, what you got to get for X?
7,647.
Comment?
67. Did everyone get that? Okay.
We have that.
Yes. So you have to just trust me.
So trust my friend.
Okay, are we happy with that, guys?
You don't need to ever do anything your phone.
Right.
It was because of Sir.
Alright.
Sir wasn't always attacking my friend.
Right. If the month, so then they change the question a little bit. Okay, is everyone happy with that amount, by the way?
Yeah.
Okay, now they change the question, which is, so just be careful of questions like this. A lot of people go into, oh, they did say change. It's changed to 9,000 Rand per month. Sometimes what I would do is say, using a repayment, and I'd round that off of 7,650 Rand. And the reason why I'd write it like that, so you don't just copy this bit over here in the previous question. Okay. So now in this question over here, right, you still borrow 850,000 Rand. Okay. Okay, but now you're paying back 9,000 Rand every single month, right? And you do that for how long? 12 years. 12 times 12 is 144, right? Okay, there's your last payment of 9,000 Rand, and you want to figure out the balance outstanding, okay, at that point. Okay, in other words, how much you owe the bank at that point. So, what's our silly little code? Which is that? What's Abu again? It says chicken.
Oh, chicken.
Sorry, did we do us
Chicken.
Yeah.
And I got a 10?
Yeah.
Minus?
Yeah, I expect you did.
This
This is probably the answer.
chicken.
Okay? You got 9. Right.
Let's assume.
Oh, yes, I did.
Right. So, balance outstanding, what does that mean, guys? Okay, so it's, you take the amount that you borrowed, so by the amount borrowed with interest, what did you borrow? You borrowed 850,000 Rand, right? You pretend you didn't pay anything back and you take it to that point. So if you invested 850,000 Rand for 144 months at an interest rate of, what was the interest rate? 9% over 12. Okay, how would you work out how much money you had if you made a one-off investment? What would you use? Which formula? Just the basic compound interest formula, right? So this, okay, is always going to just be equal to, okay, A is equal to P 1 plus I to the N. Okay, that's the amount borrowed with it. So in this case, what's it going to be? It's going to be 850,000 is your present value. 1 plus 9% over 12 to the what?
140.
So it's in there for 144 months. Okay. So that's your amount borrowed with interest. But what have you done though? You paid back how much every single month? 9,000 rand every single month. And you've done that 144 times, right? I don't just go 144 times 9,000 because you saved interest as well, right? So to work out the interest on a regular annuity, you use the future value annuity formula. So what you paid back with interest is working to that point, which is your future value, right? Okay. So this over here, the amount paid back with interest, we're always going to use S is equal to X double bracket 1 plus I to the N minus 1 over R. Because that's going to be what these payments of 9,000 Rand are worth. Okay, your 144 payments. But you don't go just 144 times 9,000 because you collected, you saved interest by paying it back. You fish? Okay, so it's going to be that minus what? Okay, X is 9,000, 1 plus, are we good guys? 9% over 12, how many payments? 144 minus 1 over? 9%. Stick it into your calculator. Daniel Dennis?
What?
Nope. No, I didn't.
Yeah, you got it. Make the one with
Zara, you got an answer for me.
I'm going to answer that soon.
Tell me, because let's see that people agree. What did you get?
1, yeah. 7, yeah. 3,
Yeah.
5, yeah. 4, yeah. 6, yeah. Come on, 7.
Come on, 8?
You still carried on with the flows.
No, you got to roll there. You need to back yourself for the last few numbers there. Yeah. So that's still in there.
It's around the air.
Got it right? Upway minus upway. But am I borrowed with interest? It's just your compound interest. Okay. Pay back is a future value annuity formula.
I'm so sorry.
Yeah.
7, comma 1, 3.
Yeah, that was wrong.
You're busy hyping up.
Yeah.
The last 3. The other 7, comma 1, 3.
I don't want that.
You get that?
Wait.
Who got that? Alright, go back. You're out for it. Right. Okay, guys. People watching this video, Zara got it wrong. Okay, right. Alright, you're on a break. You're on a break for 5 minutes.
Okay, but we have to walk to the design firm.
Why?
Because I have to go get a leave.
I know, sorry.
Oh, what?
Sorry, no, it's supposed to be having medicine, it's not that.